In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect HubSpot with Microsoft Dynamics 365. This integration is a powerful way to streamline your processes, ensuring that your key business data flows smoothly between both platforms. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by navigating through HubSpot to lay the foundation for a successful connection. Log into your HubSpot account and direct your attention to the settings area, which you'll find as a gear icon typically located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once inside the settings, you'll notice a tab labeled Connected Apps. This is your gateway to linking various applications, including Microsoft Dynamics 365. With this in mind, search through your connected apps list or use the search function to find Microsoft Dynamics 365. When you've located Dynamics 365, you'll see an option labeled Connect Another Account. Simply click on that to initiate the connection process. Now, with the connection underway, let's move on to enabling the synchronization between the two platforms. You'll be guided through a series of prompts designed to link your Dynamics 365 account securely. Pay close attention to each prompt, ensuring that your Dynamics 365 credentials are entered accurately to prevent any issues down the line. Once your connection is successfully established, you have the exciting option to decide how the data will be synchronized. You could opt for a one-way sync if you want data to flow from only one platform to the other, or choose a two-way sync for a more integrative approach that allows data to move back and forth between HubSpot and Dynamics 365 seamlessly. With your connection set and sync enabled, it's time to focus on configuring the data synchronization. Here, you need to decide which types of data or objects you want to sync. This could include essential objects like contacts, accounts, and deals. In HubSpot, you have the flexibility to map these to their corresponding objects in Dynamics 365, ensuring that everything is as organized and logical as possible. To enrich the synchronization, you also have the option to include custom objects and additional data like invoices and tasks. Tailoring your synchronization in this way means that only the data you need makes its way between the platforms, enhancing efficiency and clarity in your business operations. By following these steps, you've effectively integrated HubSpot with Microsoft Dynamics 365, allowing your data to flow naturally and without disruption. This setup not only improves day-to-day task management, but also ensures that everyone in your organization has access to the most up-to-date information. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful as you navigate through setting up your integration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the benefits of your newly synchronized systems.